Guys, Grok's Imagine just got another massive game-changing update. You can now add up to 5 specific character references, and it even supports up to 7 images to create a single highly complex video scene. Just look at this, and then this. The brand new character reference support helps you lock in absolutely crazy, fine-tuned consistency for your AI videos. In fact, I literally used this exact feature to create a full AI short film, and even Elon Musk himself appreciated it over on X. Trust me, you guys are going to absolutely love this. But first, let's break down exactly how to use this new update step by step so you can start creating. Alright, for my first test, I pre-generated 4 specific images right inside Grok. An image of Elon Musk, a beautiful AI girl, a sleek, futuristic bike, and a glowing holographic dress. Once you have your assets ready, head over to the Grok homepage and click on the Imagine option in the left sidebar. Now you just upload all the images you want to use. You can clearly see that the UI now supports uploading up to 7 images to create a single video. For this specific shot, I am going to upload those 4 images I just made. I already wrote a detailed prompt for this test, so I'm just going to copy and paste it into the prompt box. Now, watch this next step very carefully, otherwise you will miss the entire magic of this update. In my prompt, it says, "Close-up of beautiful AI girl." To lock in the consistency, I am going to delete the words "beautiful AI girl," type the @ symbol, and a menu will pop up allowing me to select my uploaded AI girl reference image. If you've ever used Kling AI, this works exactly the same way. Next, the prompt says, "In a glowing holographic dress, sitting behind Elon on a sleek futuristic bike." So I'm going to delete Elon, type @ and select my Elon Musk reference image. You do the exact same thing for the dress and the bike. Just swap the text mentions with your actual uploaded image references using the @ symbol. Once you have everything tagged perfectly, simply click on Generate and let's see what it cooks. And wow, look at this result. It produced an incredibly cinematic shot of Elon Musk riding through a futuristic city. It did not disappoint at all. It completely maintained that crazy consistency across all 4 different references. For our next use case, we are going to push this engine to its absolute limits by adding up to 7 characters in a single video. I already have my Elon Musk image, and I pre-generated a few more. Some Grok anime girls, the classic Dodge dog, a futuristic anime girl, and a cute anime girl with a panda. I am going to upload all 7 of these images into the Imagine tab. I drop in my master prompt, and just like before, I use the @ symbol to perfectly tag and link every single character into the scene. Let's hit generate and see what happens. Look at this. It actually placed all 7 characters perfectly into the video. I am genuinely amazed seeing this level of multi-character consistency in a single AI generation. For my final use case, I wanted to see if we could make a high-end commercial. I generated a futuristic Grok water bottle, a futuristic model, and a cool location. I repeat the exact same process, upload the images, paste the prompt, add the @ references, and hit generate. And guys, this ad looks incredibly good. But here's the best part. You can easily make this ad longer using the extend option. You just click extend, select the exact frame you want to continue from, add your next scene's prompt, and hit generate. Look at what it created. It seamlessly continued the shot and it looks amazing.
Hydration just got smarter and sexier. Grok Smart Bottle powered by XAI.
This extend feature is incredibly powerful. With this new update, you can legitimately create decent Hollywood-level short films right from your desk. In fact, that short film I mentioned earlier, the one that Elon Musk actually commented on and appreciated, was fully made using these exact Grok techniques. I highly recommend you go watch that movie right now. I linked it right here on the end screen. Click on that video and I promise you will be absolutely amazed by the quality. Go try out the new Grok Imagine update for yourself, and I will see you over in that next video.